That sound, it's one of the worst sounds a driver can hear. A dead battery can ruin your day, your budget, and your peace of mind. But what if the constant fear of being stranded was a thing of the past? The car batteries launching in 2026 are engineered to make that fear obsolete. We're talking about batteries with built-in health monitors that text you, chemistries that laugh at extreme temperatures, and lifespans that could outlast your car loan. In this exclusive first look, we're counting down the top 5 models that will change how you think about automotive power. Let's get started. Number 1. NOCO Lithium NLX27 12V Leaf AP04 Lithium Battery. A dual-purpose lithium battery represents a cutting-edge advancement in energy storage technology, seamlessly combining the essential characteristics of a starter battery with the deep cycle capacity that users require. This innovative product offers significant advantages over traditional lead-acid batteries, including reduced weight, enhanced power output, rapid charging capabilities, and an extended lifespan, making it an excellent choice for both automotive and recreational applications. Unmatched starting performance. This battery boasts a powerful peak current of 1,400 amps, offering performance that is twice as effective as conventional lead-acid batteries. This remarkable starting power ensures that vehicles can start effortlessly regardless of environmental conditions, providing peace of mind for users. Additionally, the battery sustains a continuous output of 175 amps, affirming its status as one of the most proficient starter batteries currently available in the market. Number 2. Weize Platinum AGM Battery BCI Group. Tapered terminal design. This automotive battery features a tapered terminal configuration with the left side being negative, minus symbol, and the right side positive, plus symbol. This specific orientation is crucial for proper installation, so please double-check the dimensions and terminal positions before purchasing to ensure compatibility with your vehicle. This precaution will help you avoid any potential fitment issues that could disrupt your vehicle's performance. 100 RC rating. The battery boasts a 100 RC reserve capacity rating, which allows for reliable performance and an extended service life. It is engineered to offer up to 2 times the cycle life compared to conventional batteries, making it a dependable choice for those who require long-lasting power. Number 3. Optima Batteries High Performance 35. The Optima red top and yellow top AGM batteries provide up to 15x more vibration resistance, 3x longer service life, flexibility for mounting and faster charging. The Optima orange top lithium battery provides Optima's CPR built-in jumpstart, extreme temperature performance, lightweight power and reliability in addition to Bluetooth capabilities and an advanced battery management system. The red top high-performance AGM battery is the ultimate starting battery designed to deliver a powerful burst of ignition power for a reliable startup every time. It will withstand hard launches, extreme corners and is race-proven for every road every day, whether it's used as a truck battery, automotive battery, or for other applications. Its reputation as a truck battery or automotive battery is unsurpassed. Number 4. XS Power D3400 3300 amp AGM battery. The 12V XS Power AGM battery is an advanced power solution built with cutting-edge sealed, maintenance-free absorbent glass mat (AGM) technology. This innovative design not only offers significant leak resistance but also extends the overall lifespan of the battery, making it an economical choice for those seeking dependability in their power sources. It excels particularly in providing power for a range of Japanese and European vehicles, including well-known brands such as Jeep, Chrysler, Bentley, and Nissan, and meets the demanding energy requirements of high-energy accessories, like sophisticated car audio systems and various electronic devices, all while functioning seamlessly in all weather conditions. When it comes to maximizing output, this 12V Deep Cycle Small AGM battery is a powerhouse, boasting an impressive 1150 cranking amps (CA) and 1012 cold cranking amps (CCA). This level of power ensures reliable engine starts, even in extreme weather scenarios where most batteries might fail. Whether you are powering car audio systems or other high-demand electronics, this battery provides the essential energy needed to keep your vehicle running smoothly in temperatures ranging from scorching heat to freezing cold. Number 5. NOCO Lithium NLX31, 12V LiFePO4 lithium battery. A dual-purpose lithium battery is designed to provide the high starting power needed for engines as well as the deep cycle energy storage capacity that is essential for various applications, making it an ideal choice for both starting and running electronics. This innovative battery technology outperforms traditional lead-acid batteries, primarily due to its significantly lighter weight, increased power output, faster charging times, and extended lifespan. The unmatched starting performance of this lithium battery is particularly noteworthy, as it delivers an impressive peak current of 1,400 amps, which is double the starting power compared to conventional lead-acid batteries. This extraordinary capability translates to effortless engine starts in any environmental condition, ensuring reliability when you need it most. In addition to this peak performance, the battery offers a continuous power output of 175 amps, solidifying its status as one of the most competent starter batteries on the market. And that is the future of worry-free driving. It's clear that the days of the basic, disposable lead-acid battery are officially numbered. If you're tired of playing battery roulette every winter, I've made it simple for you. All the direct pre-order links, manufacturer details, and spec sheets are packed into the video description below. If this preview saved you from a future roadside disaster, please do me a solid, hit that like button, it really helps the channel grow. Share this video with every driver you know, and subscribe for more insider looks at the car tech that makes life easier. Thanks for watching. Drive safe.